Okay, let me revise you whatever you learned in previous class. Okay, so in the previous class I told you what is hash include stdio.h. Okay, can anybody type what is the name of this symbol? Only the first symbol. What it is known as? This symbol. What is the name of this? It is known as hash. It is known as hash. Okay. What is this symbol? Good, Kokila. Okay. Now see here. Now what is this symbol? What is this symbol? Type me in the chat box. It is greater than. It is greater than. Okay. Similarly, if you take this symbol, it is lesser than. It is lesser than. Okay. So I told you why we are using hash include stdio.h. So the long form for stdio.h is standard input output header file. It will be having functions like printf and scanf. Print function, scan function. After that, you'll be having one more header file, conio.h, console input output header file. It will be having functions like clear screen, okay, getch, all these things. I told you why we are using getch also. And similarly, I told you what is data types. What is data types? Okay. So it defines the type of the data which can be stored in the program or which can be stored in the variable. Next, I told you what are variables. Variables are the names given to the memory location. Okay. After that, I told you why we are using getch. Why we are using getch and function. I told you function. Let me define you once again. What are data types? Okay. These are the types. These are the type specifiers. These are the one which specifies the type of the data. The type of the data which can be stored in variables. Okay. So this is the definition for data types. Can you give me example for data types? In the last class I told you. Can you give me example for data types? Type me in the chat box examples for data types. I'll wait for your inputs. Int, good Tarun. Int, float, character, double. So let me type you that. Example, int, float, double, okay, character, void. All these are examples for data types. Okay, please type me in the chat box whatever I have written here, whatever I have highlighted in blue color. Good Abdul, everybody. You see there? These are the examples for data types: int, float, double, char, and void. Please type me these things, everybody. Everybody. Good Vishwa, good Kedar, good Saida. Good Tarun, good Vaishnavi, good
Sir,
Sharon.
are char and double same?
Karen double. You see there? Int, float, double, char, void. Similarly, you'll be having one more data type like long also. Okay. These many data types. These many data types. Everybody, please type me. I will wait for your inputs. Good Abhilash. Kedar Joshi, did you type?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, are char and double same?
Huh? No,
Are
they
char and double same?
no, they are different. Char is for character.
Sir, not audible.
Huh? Tell me.
Not audible, sir.
Voice disturbance, Amisha.
Sir, you speak loudly, sir. Not hearing.
And is the same thing with everybody.
No, sir, I can hear you. It's okay, sir.
Amisha, I think some problem with your side only. Okay. I need to keep a speaker. Hmm? So, I told you what is int. See, these are the examples for data types: int, float, double, and char, void, and long. Similarly, in the last class, I told you what is variable. It is the name. It is the name given to the memory location. It is a name given to the memory location. Okay. Say say if you take the example, here, int a. Okay, int a. Say a is the variable. A is the variable. Similarly, we can give anything. We can give anything. Okay, num1 or num. Okay, like this, we can declare anything. The programmer will be defining the names. Okay, these are known as variables. Next, I told you what is getch. Okay, it waits. It waits to enter a key. To enter a key from the keyboard. To enter a key from the keyboard. Okay. Next, I told you, I was telling you function. Function is nothing but a small program. A small program which performs which performs which performs a particular task. Okay, a particular task. Okay. Now, in the last class, I have given you various examples. Okay, these are the examples I have given you. But before that, you must know the structure of C program. Okay, even I told you the structure of C program. Now, if you take this example, we are using here stdio.h, conio.h. After that, we are declaring main. Okay, now we are using clear screen. It clears the screen. After that, we are giving the message. After that, we are using getch. Okay, getch will wait until the user enters something, or else we will be unable to see the output. Similarly, we did one more example. Now the next thing is, in this program, it is a program for addition of two numbers. Did I executed this? Did I executed
Yep.
this in the,
Yes, sir.
okay, did we got the output?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you see here in this program, this part is known as declaration part. The first part is known as declaration part. From here, the entire thing is logic part. Okay. Now the logic of this program is, we are reading two numbers. And we are adding them, and we are printing the result. Here we are using a function like print function. Okay, print f. F stands for function. Whatever the data we want to print, that needs to be enclosed within double quotes. Okay, and the name of the variable where the result is stored. The result is stored here in S. Okay. Now, okay, in today's class, let me tell you some C tokens. Okay, C tokens are the smallest part of the program. C tokens are the smallest part of the program, which can be divided further. Okay, they are the smallest logically meaningful individual units. Okay, they are known as C tokens. Examples: identifiers. keywords, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. Okay, if you take the example of identifiers, in this example, in this program, A and B, in this program, A and B are the identifiers. Okay, in this program, A and B are the identifiers. Okay, now next is keywords. Okay, keywords, they'll be having specific meaning. Okay, they are the reserved words. Keywords are nothing but reserved words. Okay, like float and while. Like float and while. Okay, similarly, int. Int is also a keyword. Okay, similarly, you must know constants. You must know constants. Okay, these values remain constant. 15.5. If I declare int a is equal to 15.5. 15.5 means it remains as 15.5. Okay, throughout the program. Those kind of things are known as constants. Next, you must know strings. Okay, strings. Anything that is enclosed within double quotes, they are known as strings. Next, you must know special symbols. Okay, these flower brackets, square brackets, okay, hash, similarly dollar, all these are special symbols. Okay, just I'm giving you a brief introduction. I'll explain you in detail afterwards. Operators. Okay, these are operators: plus, minus, division. Similarly, there is one more symbol like modulus. Okay, this is known as modulus. This symbol is known as modulus. It is used for remainder. Okay, like this. Now, let me write you some program for subtraction of two numbers. Program for subtraction of two numbers. Here, I will be asking the user to enter two numbers. Okay, so hash include stdio.h. Okay, after that, hash include conio.h. Okay, after that, void main, void main, after the flower brackets, we must give flower brackets. Here we must declare int say a comma b comma say difference. D stands for difference. Okay, we can declare like this. Here identifiers are a, b, and d. These are known as identifiers. A, B, and D are known as identifiers. Okay, among the identifiers, they are known as variables. Okay, now int is the data type. Int is the data type. Identifiers can be anything. Identifiers can be anything. We can use n1, comma n2, comma result, Okay, we may declare like this, or we may declare like difference. Okay, so in this program, I'll be declaring three variables: n1, n2, and difference. Now I'll give you a message: print enter two numbers. Okay, now I'll close this.
Sir, printf.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Next, we'll be using one more thing like scan function. Okay, I'll explain you clearly what it is. We'll be using double quotes, 2 times %d, close this, after this, comma, ampersand n1, okay, ampersand n2, okay, close this. Now give semicolon. I'll explain you afterwards. Scanf %d, ampersand n1, ampersand n2. Okay, after this, now difference. We need to find out the difference. Difference is equal to n1 minus n2. Okay. User may enter any value. Okay. User may enter 100, 50. So 100 minus 50 is 50. Difference will be 50. Now we need to print that. We need to print it. Printf. Okay. Printf. Difference is okay. This is the message. Whatever we want to print. After that, you give comma. Here you can write that the variable name where the result is stored. The result is stored in the result is stored in diff. Okay, so we are printing an integer. We are printing an integer. So I'll be writing here percentage d. Now after this, give semicolon. Then you can write get ch. Get ch. Okay, this is a simple thing. Here we can write clear screen. Here we can write clear screen. Now I'll close this. I'll come here. So if you see this program, this is the program for subtraction of two numbers. Subtraction of two numbers where numbers are read from user. Okay, see here in the previous example for addition, we used to initialize here n1 is equal to 100, n2 is equal to 200. We used to initialize like this, but here in our program what we are doing is we are reading from the user. Okay, so let me show you that. I'll minimize this. I'll open the Turbo C editor. Okay. Say here, I told you what this editor is, what this menu is. Click on new. Okay. Now you can type the program. Hash include conio.h. Okay, first I'll write stdio.h. Okay, now hash include conio.h. Okay, now void main. Now give brackets here to declare the things int n1 comma n2 comma res or result. Okay, instead of result we will take as diff. Diff stands for difference. Okay, now you give the message printf within double quotes you give the message enter.
Sir, clear screen.
Yeah, we can write clear screen also. So clear screen, give semicolon. Here you can write enter two numbers. This is the message. It will be displayed as it is. Okay. This colon. Okay, you give colon. That colon is for just displaying for the user. Okay. This semicolon is end of the statement. Now we need to write scanf. Double quotes percentage d. Okay, now ampersand n1. Okay, ampersand n2. Close this, give semicolon. Okay, now we need to find out the difference. Difference is equal to n1 minus n2. Now we need to print the result, which is stored in say we can write difference of two numbers is okay. We are printing an integer. That's why we must write percentage d. Here we can write diff. Okay, okay, now here we can write get ch. Now close this. Now save it. Click on file menu, click on save as. You can give the name. Say I'll give the name as program3.c. Okay, program3.c. After that you need to type on OK. Okay, say you type as. Now you compile it. Click on compile. No errors are there. You go there, click on run. You see there, enter two numbers. I'll be entering 200 comma 30. What must be the difference?
170.
170. Okay, after typing these two things you need to type enter. Say here we got the result as difference of two numbers is 170. Okay. Now let me run one more time. If you want to run one more time, you click on run. You click on run. Here you give two numbers, some big numbers. Okay, I'll give. For the second number, you must give space. Say 3900. Okay. Now let me enter this. So the difference of two numbers is 3476. Okay. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I have given very big number. It is in lakhs. It is in lakhs. Okay. It is in 20 lakhs. Second number is 3900. Okay. No. Let me run one more time. Computer will not give wrong answers. Okay. Our program will be.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Machines don't lie, sir.
Huh?
Sir, there is some certain limit on that, no, sir, for entering the numbers.
Yes. It will be, limit will be there. So let me give you 2090. Okay. Space. Say 306. You see the difference? Okay, difference of two numbers is 1784. Okay. Now, you see in this example, we are reading the value from user. Okay, we are giving message, enter two numbers. Now let me tell you, let me go back to the editor. If you want to go back to the notepad means Alt F, quit. Okay. Now I'll come here. Let me tell you scanf. Okay. Let me tell you scanf. If you want to define the scanf, okay, it is an input function. It is an input function. Okay. It is an input function which reads the data. Which reads the data from keyboard. Okay, from keyboard. This is the definition for scanf. If you see the syntax, okay, whenever we say syntax, you are supposed to write this scanf in the same way. Okay, so scanf brackets, double quotes, within this format, format specifiers. Okay, within this we must write format specifiers, double colon, double quotes, close it, give comma. Here you can write ampersand variable 1. Okay, ampersand variable 2, like this. It goes on until ampersand variable n. Okay, if you take the example, scanf, if I am reading a float values, two float values, okay, percentage f, double quotes, and the double quotes. After this, we must give comma here. Okay, you see there in the syntax we are having comma. Okay, here we need to give comma. After that, ampersand. You can give any number, num1, comma, ampersand, num2. Okay, close this. So this is the syntax. Okay, how many variables are there? Two variables, num1 and num2. Now here ampersand. You must know what is ampersand. You must know ampersand. Okay, it's known as ampersand. It's also known as address operator. Okay, it's known as address operator. It specifies where the variable needs to be stored. Okay, every location for the variable will be having address. Okay. Now,
So last program we didn't use that, no sir, but still we got the answer. Last program, sir, we
yeah,
didn't use 1%.
we have used. Let me show you this. What was the name of the program?
Program 2.
Program 3.c.
So last, okay. Not this, sir. The last one, addition one, sir. For
Program 2.
addition, yes, sir. For addition, we didn't use ampersand, no, sir. That's
Yes,
why.
yes. You see here, program 2.c. You see there, here, just we are directly initializing the variables directly here. Okay. So no need of scanf. But in present program, we are reading the values from user. Okay. If you
Okay,
see,
sir. Okay, okay. We read from user, then we have to enter that.
yeah, when we run this, we'll get a message, enter two numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have to use scanf. When I run this, when I run this, you see there you are getting some message, enter two numbers. Say I will
Yes.
enter 300, 30. Now, how will the computer will understand? Scanf is the one which reads 330 and they will
Okay, sir.
store in num1 and num2. Okay.
Mm. Yes, sir.
And
Got it.
say I'll quit. I'll quit here. Now I'll write one more program. I'll write one more program. I'll write one more program. Program for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Okay. Now this. Now you can see here again as usual. Hash include stdio.h. Okay. Now stdio.h hash include conio.h. Now void main. After this, okay, here we need to declare a int. Okay, int. What does rectangle has? Length and breadth. Okay. You can write len comma say just you can write l comma b and you declare one more variable area. Okay, one more variable area. Now you give the message. Print enter length and breadth. Enter length and breadth of rectangle. Okay, of rectangle. This is the message which will be seen by the user. Okay, which will be seen by the user. Now printf. Okay, now here scanf. Here it is scanf. Within double quotes, how many variables we are reading here? Two variables, L and B. Okay, so we need to write two times %d. Okay, now close this. Here within this double quotes, we should not give any spaces. Okay, we should not give any comma. Okay, we should not give. Now after this give comma. Here ampersand L comma ampersand B. Okay, now area is equal to length into breadth. Now we need to print the result. Printf area is equal to area of rectangle. Is %d. Okay, is %d, comma. Here we need to write where the result is stored. The result is stored in area. So we need to write the variable name. Okay, close this, give semicolon. Now as usual, get ch. Okay, get ch. Here clear screen. Give semicolon. We come down, close this. Okay, when I run this, what will be the first message you are going to get? Enter length and breadth of rectangle. Okay, you'll get a message, the same message. Whatever we write here, whatever we write here, that we are going to get in the output. Okay. Now say I will enter 200 comma 300. Result will be 60,000. Result will be 60,000. Okay. So we must specify the formula. Okay, for the calculation of area of rectangle. Okay. See here we can give anything. Here we can give length L comma B, or we can give length. We can give complete length comma breadth. Okay, we can give anything, length comma breadth comma area. These are identifiers. Okay, these are the names. We can give any names for those locations. Okay, now let me execute this. Now go to the file, click on new, say you can type F5, it enlarges the entire screen. Now hash include here you can see the stdio.h. Okay, now hash include conio.h. Okay, now void main. Okay, here we need to declare the variables int say L comma B comma area. Okay, give colon, you give message printf double quote
Sir, clear screen.
s, you can give clear screen. Now here we can give message enter L and B of rectangle. Okay, you can give this message, or you can type completely length LENGTH. Okay, and breadth BREADTH, breadth of rectangle. You colon, close the quotes, give semicolon. Now scanf. Here %d, okay, comma. Now what I need to type here? Ampersand L, ampersand B. Okay. How many variables we are reading here? 2 variables. So we need to write 2 times %d and 2 times L comma B with ampersand. Okay, with ampersand. You close this, give semicolon. Now area. Okay, area is equal to, we need to write the formula. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Please.
Length into breadth.
L into B. Okay, L into B. Okay, close this. Now print the result. Okay, result is stored in area. Okay, so you give message area of rectangle is okay. What type of data we are printing here? %d. Okay, so we need to give the name of the variable. Name of the variable is area. Okay, use colon. Now here the last thing is get ch. Okay, now give semicolon. Close this. Now you need to save it. Alt F, save as, give the name program5.c. Click OK. Now compile it. Now you compile it. No errors. Now run. You see that enter length and breadth of rectangle. Say I'll give 200 comma 34. Length is 200. Breadth is 34. So area of rectangle is 6,800. Okay. Now
Sir, if you give large numbers, it won't come, sir. Because
come.
last time I did.
It will come. Okay, let me try. Okay, length, I'll give this much big number. Okay, breadth, I'll give 3. Okay, it will not come. There is some range for those numbers. Okay, I'll tell you. Say perimeter. Okay, what is the formula for perimeter? What is perimeter?
L plus B.
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B.
Okay. So you can write here. We need to specify the formula. 2 times. We need to give star after this L comma L plus B. Okay, L plus B. So we need to print that also. Say here we can write printf. Here we can write printf perimeter of rectangle is percentage d. Okay, give comma. Here I must write p. Okay, now give semicolon. After that, we want this one to be in new line, one more line. So you must give slash n. Here we must write slash n. Okay, so I'll compile this. One error. Say, what is the mistake? Statement missing semicolon. So what is, where did I miss the semicolon?
Perimeter formula semicolon.
Okay, see here, type enter, you go here. Here we must give semicolon. Okay, I have missed that. Now save it once again. Whatever the changes we do, we need to save it. After that, compile it. Okay, now you run it. You see there, enter length and breadth of rectangle. Say I'll give 300 comma, say 40. Okay. Now what will be the area of triangle, area of rectangle?
1200.
1200. Similarly, what will be the perimeter? See here, this much slow we are, but see how computer is very fast. You see there, area of rectangle is 12,000, perimeter of the rectangle is 680. Okay. We got those things in two different lines. 200 comma 30. See there, area of rectangle is 6,000, perimeter of rectangle is 460. Okay. Now everybody type me slash n. Okay, slash n, like this symbol slash n. Everybody type me in the chat box slash n. Okay, another slash, backslash. Okay, two slashes are there. This is backslash. Okay, there is one more slash like front slash. We don't want that. We want backslash. Okay, everyone. Backslash n. Okay. So backslash n is used to go to the next line. Okay. So let me stop here. Okay. Still we have started at 12:30 now. Okay. Now everybody, don't leave the meeting. See, everybody type me ampersand, even ampersand. Okay, ampersand, this thing. Everybody. Okay, good Saida, good Suhas, good Sukrut, good Vaishnavi, good Abhilash, good Vishwa, good Venu, Suhas, Abdul, good Tejas, good Kokila. Okay. So I need to take the attendance also. Please answer your attendance, all of you. Okay. Let me stop here. I'll take the attendance. Okay. Say, I'll be calling your names. Swati Satish.
Present, sir.
Okay. Syed Housafia. Syed Housafia. Next, Syed Nawaz. Tariq Anjum.
Present, sir.
Tarun.
Present,
V.
sir.
Tejas BR.
Present, sir.
Tejas J. Kumar. Tejas J. Kumar. Ume Hani.
Present, sir.
Okay. Next, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Then Venugopal.
Present, sir.
Venugopal.
Present, sir.
Okay. Vishwa. V. Vishwa V.
Present, sir.
Okay. Vivek Gautam.
Present, sir.
Yaruk Baba. Yashashri. Yashashri R. Next, Yashashwini RP.
Present, sir.
Okay. Next, Yashashwini Abdul Fahim.
Present, sir.
Okay. Darshan. Darshan Kumar. Next, Kedar Joshi.
Present, sir.
Kokila. KR. Kokila KR.
Present, sir.
Okay. Nisarga P. Nisarga P. Next, Sharona Sam.
Present, sir.
Suhas.
Present, sir.
Saida Alia Bakshi.
Present, sir.
Okay. Aisha Kumari.
Present, sir.
Amisha.
Present, sir.
Likhit RJ. Hazir Ahmad. Hazir Ahmad. Hazir Ahmad. Kirti A. Sukrut. Sukrut. Suhas B.
Present, sir.
Tyagraj.
Present, sir.
Kumarswamy. P. Kumarswamy. Okay. Now I will create a Google class today. I'll send you the link. I'll send you code.
You didn't call my name.
Tell me name.
Anushri.
Sir, even you didn't call out my name.
Okay. Tell me the names. Whoever is not called, whose names is not called, Anushri and
Abhilash Suvan.
Abhilash.
Sayyid Huzaifa also, sir.
One more.
Sayyid Huzaifa, sir.
I called. You did not respond. Okay. Now I will create a Google class today. Google code. I'll send you. I'll upload a first module notes. Okay. First module notes. You can refer it. Okay. Are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
feel,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
do you
sir.
feel any difficulties?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. I'll upload the notes. Try to refer it. It is more theory. Okay. Anyhow, as soon as the offline classes starts, I will explain you. Okay. I'll make you to
Sir,
write.
no need to write it in the class of no, sir.
No, don't write. Don't write. Okay. As of now, don't write. Okay. Just read it. It's enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay. As soon as the class starts, I'll make you to write in the class itself in front of me. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.